So welcome ladies and gentlemen to electronics. So in this first tutorial I'm going to show you how we're going to set up our workstation. So each workstation is going to need a vent. This is to suck all the fumes and stuff away. You're going to need one soldering iron which you'll get off of the wall over the other side. You might need a wire stripper. You might need a pair of pliers, side cutters, a pair of long nose pliers, and you'll definitely need a set of safety glasses. You need a soldering board so you can put your soldering iron in there without burning anything, and you'll need one of these cleaner foils so that you can clean off the excess solder before you go and solder your next component. These will be plugged into the wall. So each workstation is 2 power points, one for the fan, one for the soldering iron. These you may or may not need. The solder sucker, if you make a mistake, you get that from the teacher. Wire stripper you get from the teacher. These are over in the centre aisle if you need them. Safety glasses in the centre aisle in the box. Make sure you got them on at all times. So regardless of whether you're soldering or your partner's soldering, need them at all times. Okay, so that's the station, how to set the station up. Next tutorial I'll show you how to do the soldering practice and getting ready for your project. Till then, cheers.